In this video, I am going to show you how to get and use coupons in AliExpress. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. Browse and check your product. Add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Scroll down to the lower field and you will see available coupons and discounts that you have. In the store coupons, they will be automatically applied, but if you have one, just write it down into the field and then click checkout. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.